Hey everybody, Mike here from the NetTalker tips. Today is another day for you to see another wonderful video. In this video, you will learn how to use Dcoder, which is a mobile coding IDE. So let's go ahead and open up our Play Store. So here at the top, search in Dcoder. Here it is, the first one. And as you can see, I have already installed it on this phone to speed up the process. So before we proceed, before we open this application, I just want you to know that this is a mobile coding IDE and platform compiler for mobile, where you can run your projects, codes, and learn algorithms by programming on mobile. Build and deploy your projects straight from the mobile and integrate with Github, bitbucker, and synchronize with VS Code or VS Code. Use of code compilation to make coding easy. And what's good about this is that you can code anytime, anywhere, and wherever you go. So let's go ahead and open it now. So here it is. So since this is my second time around, it's already been opened up. In your case, you have to create an account, use your Gmail or any emails you have, create an account, and then log in using your username and password, or email and password, and then this is the interface that you will see once you have successfully logged in. So as you can see, there's nothing in my files here yet. So you have, if you want to start coding right away, you can create a file, or you can select this one at the bottom, start coding. So as you can see, you can create projects, upload, get clone, single file. So let's start with a single file. So we're going to create a file, and here it is, the top 10 programming languages, starting from C, Java, C++, Python 3, HTML, C#, Python 2, PHP, Node.js, Visual Basic, Assembly, so almost everything. So as you can see, Perl, Ruby, Rust, TCL, Visual Basic. So I'm not going to go over each one of these. Let's try Python instead, Python 3. So enter a file name. So let's try hello. That's my file name, hello world. Let's change it to hello world instead. Okay, hello world, and then so press create. Okay, it's now created. So I just want you to know that you need an internet connection to run this application, since you need to log in. So you can edit. As you can see, the version is Python 3.7.1. So print, let's go ahead and run it. Here is to click this button, and the terminal says hello Dcoder, process finished. So we can modify this if we want to. We can edit it. Let's add some more. Print. Let's try adding variables. And 1, 5, and 2 is equal to 9. And let's print. Let's add. Create a result variable, results, and let's add the n1 and n2. So n1, make sure that it's the same capitalization, n1 plus n2, and then we can print the result. Print result, just like that. Make sure the print is in small letter. Okay, just like that. And let's close the terminal and then let's run this. Okay, as you can see, hello Dcoder, 14. 5 plus 9 is 14. So that's how easy it is to use this application. If you're a programmer, then I highly recommend this application, since you can code anytime, anywhere you go. You can use this application to make codes or continue with your projects, create programs, create anything, something that you can think of. You can build it for your projects straight from your mobile. So let's go back. So as you can see, it will be available here in the recent, in my home dashboard. So my first application is hello.py. You can start coding more, create a single file. So I'm not going to try the projects since it's going to make this video longer, so let's just focus on the single file. So you can use any of the available programming languages here. Okay, let's try Java. Enter your file name. It's hello Java. This time we'll name it hello Java. Okay, the extension is .java. Let's create it. So as you can see, the default text or the default programming words are already been added. So the import java.util, the class Dcoder, public static void and mainstream, and then the system.out different hello Dcoder. So we can run this now. So the terminal will appear here at the bottom. As you can see, it runs successfully. So you can do a lot of things with this application. Let's try the feed. So here's the feed. So other programmers build something and it will be available here. It will show up here. So the trending one is this one, login page, the ping pong game, keylogger, space invader, calendar, and a lot more. So you can start. You can create your own and put it in here. So recent, most stars. So as you can see, you can play along with this application. And I highly recommend this if you're a programmer. So let's go to the settings. So settings, you can see you can upgrade this to premium if you want to. So more features will be available if you upgrade. So the settings, you can play with the settings as well. So as you can see, the default is monospace font, symbol, suggestion. So I'm not going to change anything in here since I like the way it is. If you want, you can use also the code wrap. Right now it's currently turned off. You can turn it on, and then you can also change the change theme. So that's the theme. Okay, the paid version will going to look like this, but since I'm using a free version, I'm not going to select this. So for the free version, you only have two options, this one and this one. So I like this one, the dark one. I'm not going to change that. Let me go back to the main, to my home page. So you can even chat with the community. So here you can type whatever you want to ask about. If you're stuck on something, then you can ask me here, as long as it's programming related concerns. So you can try to ask them, and they will respond to your questions as long as they know it. So that's how easy this application is. And again, I highly recommend this for all programmers. This is really useful application, and I hope that you have enjoyed something for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.